Yeah. You promised you will be quiet enough. What is going on here? One side, one side. Independence Day celebration, know that. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Hey, Ranveer, I didn't see you for long. Mark, hey, marks are coming. After 5, user 32, more than 32. Yeah. Sidra, you're going to get full mark. I heard. Maths full mark, no? Yes, sir. Always this. There is one more partner in the no? Nisha. Sleeping. Kansha, last class you are there. Who was not examining you? You Arya was there. Why? After exam. Huh? You're okay now? Rohit was there. No, Rohit. Rich was there. Rich standard. Pushkaraj, you are there. Rich was not. Where is our one more? Shardul, you are there. No, maybe you were. After exam, you were because of exam. So, done well now? Math is done well. Yes. When is the
26.
talking? Disgusting. Disgusting. Yeah, okay. Let the results come. Yeah, all right, okay. Listen here. We have to complete the part of this GP. Yes. Priyanshu, if you are talking there, then I have to make you to stand there and things will change. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we were discussing the GP part, and in your GP, till where we are? 11 point. Some of inquiries and all done now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Maybe what is what is sum of infinite terms of GP?
Sum of infinite terms, A upon 1 minus
A upon 1 minus R, provided
R is less than 1.
mod of R is less than 1. Remember that sum of infinite formula you can apply only for when R is mod of R is less than 1. Sit down. Okay. What is sum of n terms of a GP? What are you looking this way? How many times you have to write it? You decide. No, again I am looking, it will not be a GP after 5:15. 5. Next class I will ask after that if it is going 5 is 3. Also learn. Okay, study. Or maybe discussing all these words. Yes, tell. No, sum of n terms.
When R is equal to 1, N.
When listen, sum of n terms when R is equal to 1,
N.
Na. Okay, then when R less than 1.
R less than 1. 1 raised to
1 raised to. How many times?
3. 3.
Then 3 raised to 5. If not, okay. Means if not, learn next class. Okay. Cross that one. Yeah. And sum of n terms of the GP. R equal to 1 is already done. Everyone knows only R equal to 1. Below that, R less than 1. Mod R less.
1 minus R is to n divided by 1 minus 1.
A into 1 minus R is to n divided by 1 minus R. Sit down. Yes. Second form of that one.
When R is
No, R is less than 1. It is in terms of L. L is the last term. Is in terms of L. Formula is there. Tell fast. Otherwise, Pratham is going to tell. Pratham stand up.
A minus LR.
What happened? Okay, no? A minus LR upon 1 minus R, where L is the last term. How many times you want to write the formula? How many times you huh? 10 times. What is they are telling 2, 3, 5. Okay, 10 times. No problem. Okay. Yes. Akansha, how will you find out TN?
Tn,
Hmm.
AR and minus
AR,
AR N
where is that?
raised to N minus.
Raised to N minus 1. N minus 1 is to which power? Both A and R only or R?
No, yeah.
Only. A times R raised to N minus 1. Sanvi, today school was there? Papers have started showing. Okay, how to find the given sequence is a GP or not? T2 by T1, T3 by T2, all of them should be equal to R. Sit down. These are the things only you have to remember. Then think and do it. So then these are the parts done. Then exercise 11.4 is done. Okay. More exercises are there.
Yes, good. 5.5.
11.5 is also there. Okay. 11.5 is based on sum of infinite GP only. All of you do it. So start doing. We already discussed what is sum of infinite GP. Okay. Yeah. Find the sum of infinite terms of a GP. 1 minus 1 by 2. Sum of infinite terms 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8 plus etc. Sum of infinite terms. So, what is the value of A? Sophie. What is the value of A?
The first term 1.
1. Okay. Shreya, what is the value of R? Here, Shreya. Wrong.
Minus 1 by
Minus 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. Therefore, mod R less than 1. Write that statement. Okay. Therefore, sum to infinity S is equal to A upon 1 minus R. Replace 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 2. What is 1 minus 1 minus by 2? 1 plus 1 by 2. 3 by 2. Answer is equal to 2 by 2. Hope all of you got it. 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Yeah. Second part. Root 2, comma. Sorry, root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. Minus 1 by 4 root 2 plus etc. Breathe. Breathe. A is equal to R is equal to 1 upon 2. How did you get? Minus 1 upon root 2 divided by root 2. That is my minus. Did you tell?
Yes, sir.
You did not tell, no? Into 1 by root 2 reciprocal. That is minus 1 by 2. So mod R less than 1. So sum S is equal to formula A upon 1 minus R. Substitute all of you. Get the answer. A upon 1 minus R. Substituted. What happened? What are you searching? So what did you get? Root 2 upon 1 minus 1. What is 1 plus 1 by 2? Root 2 upon 3 by 3. How much? 2 root 2 upon 3. Easy now? Who's your friend? No friends. Take 50 rupees from me. I'll tell. Akshit, what happened? Okay, last class you were there? Okay, next question. Next question. Who's holding this? Is there no? Not playing. Yeah. Okay. Third one. Read. One of you read the question.
The second term of the GP of a GP is 9 and the sum of its infinite term is 48.
Second term of the GP is equal to 9. Means AR is equal to 9. And the sum S is equal to how much?
48.
For it, no? Okay. Find the first three terms. So you have to find out the sum. So write the formula. S means A upon 1 minus R. That is A upon 1 minus R is equal to 48. Cross multiply, second condition guess. Then can you solve, find the value of A and R? Two conditions you got already. This is one condition. Always remember, if there are two unknowns, two conditions you will get. One unknown, one condition. Three unknown, three conditions. So can you cross multiply? Can you do it? Should I do?
Yes.
Are you cross multiplying? Solve it now. Second term is given and sum of infinite terms. No. No?
Already.
Whatever, I need to get the value of A and R. If you want, I'll do it. Getting those who did not get, look here. A is equal to 48 times 1 minus R. The second one, substitute this A in this one. So what do you get? 48 times 1 minus R times R is equal to 9. You can, if you want to cancel 3, you can cancel. Is it at 16? And this is 3. Open the bracket. 16R minus 16R square is equal to 3. Shift 16R square minus 16R plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay? Factorize. Split them. Factorize. Factorize. Quadratic equation was there in your term 1 exam. Factorize. No factor set. Split middle term. Nobody. Product is 48. So it is 4R into what will you get here? 4R minus 3. Minus 1 into 4R minus 3. So 4R minus 1 times 4R minus 3 is equal to 0. R is equal to 1 by 4 or R is equal to 3 by 4. Both possible?
Yes.
According to this one, it is both are possible now. Because why? Why both are possible? Why both are possible? Let's see.
R is less than because
She said okay. Because the mode of R is less than 1. Okay. Mode of R is less than 1. That is why up to level this one it is possible. Then later we will see that is one. Next is substitute in 1. When R is equal to 1 by 4. Substitute in 1, what will you get? A into 1 by 4 is equal to 9. Therefore, A is equal to 36. Therefore, what you have to find out? 3 terms now. That is T1 is equal to 36. T2 is equal to how much? 36 into 1 by 4. That is equal to 9. And T3 is equal to again 9 into 1 by 4. 9. That is the first case. Second, this is case 1. Case 2. What is it? R is equal to 3 by 4. Substitute over here. A into 3 by 4 is equal to 9. Therefore, A is equal to 9 into 4 divided by 3. How much? 12. Therefore, A T1 is equal to, that is A 12. T2 is equal to 12 into 3 by 4. How much? 9, no? And T3, 9 into 3 by 4. That is equal to how much? 27 divided by 4. Therefore, 2 G. Okay, there are 2 GPs are coming. First one is 36, 9, 9 by 4. Second one, 12, 9, 27 by 4. Tell na? Substitute and one. A is replaced as 48 into 1 minus R. Multiplied by R equal to 7. That is substitute the value of A here now. Replace. Do that way you also get. This is not wrong. Factorize, you know.
Is the right of R is equal to
A, you will not. A is 12 and 36 and 12. 36 into 12. Same thing you will do. Okay. Okay, now got it. Some of you must have got with in terms of equation in got of A. Who got A? What is your?
Yes. A square minus 48, A plus 49.
Yes, that also factorize, you will get 36 and 12. Same thing. Okay. That quadratic equation was little bigger one. This means factoring. This was little more simpler. That's all. Whichever the way you have to do, that's all. Okay. Done. 3. What is the 2 answers now? Which are 2 answers? Mehul. Lot of stories are going around. Don't make more stories. You know what is the meaning? Okay, you also, I also know it. What I'll tell you. So 36. First GP 3 terms are 36, 9, 9 by 4. Second one is 12, 9, 27 by 4. 27 by 4. Completed all of you? Yes. Third question. Yes. Next one. Another one. Yes. Hello. Read the question and explain. What is it? Read it. Whose each term is the 10? Is 10.
No.
Identify what are things.
The right.
Find the common ratio, no? She did not tell find it. Find the common ratio of an infinite GP whose each term is 10 times. 10 times what?
The sum of it.
Sum of its succeeding term. So, what is it meaning? Yes, one of you explain. Let me hear from them. Yes, you have to find the common ratio. You are me explaining?
No.
Why don't you? Common ratio of an infinite GP whose each term is 10 times sum of its succeeding term. So A2 is equal to T2 is equal to
10 times the 10 times the sum.
or T3 is equal to 10 times.
Sir, T1 is 8 now. Sir, T1 is 10.
Is it the conditions given or not?
Yes, sir.
T3 is equal to what will you get? 10 times. Sorry, T4. So then T2 by T1. So on each term, some of it succeeding. Is I not preceding? Opposite it will come now. The T1 is equal to 10 times T2 plus T3 plus etc. Okay. Yes or no? Yes. Now, from here, any idea? I brought it the opposite. This is an infinite GP.
Yes.
If it was T1 plus T2 plus T3, you could have written as what? A upon 1 minus R. Which term is missing? That this is same as this. S minus T1 now.
Yes.
Therefore, this can be written as T1 is equal to 10 times S minus T1. Can you write this way?
Yes.
Here one term is missing now. Add and subtract that one term. That means T1 is same as A is equal to 10 times A upon 1 minus R minus A. T1, we have, what is the meaning of S? Those who are not followed, once again I'll tell you. What is the meaning of S? T1 plus T2 plus T3 till going to infinity. One term is missing. Which term was missing? The T1. So S minus A will be same as this one. If you want to write first step, you will write T1. You can bracket, you can write S is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus etc. Now can you simplify and get the value of the common ratio? Can you simplify and get the value of the common ratio? There is no need to struggle that much. You people are doing the long way, I'm telling. That's why. What is the next step? All of you done?
So multiply 10.
There is a common factor is there both the sides. Divide by A. So A will go now. Well, 1 is equal to 10 times, or you take A as common, cancel. 1 upon 1 minus R, minus 1. If it is not followed, maybe take common. A is equal to 10A. So A and A is cancelled. So 1 is equal to 10 into 1 upon 1 minus R, minus 1. Now open the bracket. 1 is equal to 10 upon 1 minus R, minus 10. 11 is equal to 10 upon 1 minus R. Find the value of R. What's the answer you got? 1 by 11. Cross multiply or take its left. Got the answer? 11 minus 11R is equal to 10. 11 minus 10 is equal to 11R. R is equal to completed. Next question. Done. Okay. Next one. Read. Home.
The sum of an infinite GP is 80 upon 9. Its common ratio is minus 4 by 5. Find the first.
What all values we have? S is there. R is there. You have to find out the value of A. So direct formula, no, right? S is equal to 80 by 9, right? S is equal to 80 by 9. R is equal to minus 4 by 5. Then write the formula and substitute S equal to A upon 1 minus R. Simplifying what happened, not getting. Then what did you do? Where is this? You take this 10 here now, 1 plus 10, 11 now. What you have taken LCM? That also is coming. So three plus will come.
Yes, 60.
Yeah. Substitute
Yes, sir. 16.
16. What is the value of S?
Yes.
80 upon 9 is equal to A upon what is the value of R?
Minus 4 upon minus 5.
4 plus 5.
Yes. 4 plus.
Plus
4
9 by happy. 80 by 9. So where it will go? Out. 9 by 5 only, not 5 by 9. Here multiplication, be careful that. Otherwise make it to the fractional process. Done. Next question. Done. What question? Sum to infinity, followed all of you? Okay. Now, you are remembering what is arithmetic mean and all? AP was a chapter for your assistant. That is geometric mean. I don't remember. AP you studied, then there is arithmetic mean was there. Insert 3 arithmetic means, insert 5 arithmetic mean, find the arithmetic mean between. How many times you have to write? How many times you have to write? Yes. Yeah, next. Sindra, what do you mean by arithmetic mean? If A, B, C are in AP, B is the or A plus B by 2, what? Look here, A plus B upon 2 is the arithmetic mean between A and B. What is the meaning? If A, B, C are in AP, B is the arithmetic mean between A and C. If A, B, C, D are in AP, then B and C are the 2 arithmetic means. This way we studied now to find out the arithmetic mean, 4 arithmetic mean, etc. The same property is coming as geometric mean, which you have studied in ratio and proportion. Basic part will be same thing only. Like remembering B square is equal to AC, continued proportion. Continued proportion, if you see, look, continued proportion is GP only. A by B, so you will get now A by B is equal to, so ratios are equal now. So that is the continued proportion is always GP only. Now, so right, getting right, geometric mean. Geometric mean. If A, B, C, A comma B comma C are in GP, if A, B, C are in GP, then B is the geometric mean between A and C. B is the geometric mean between A and C. B square is equal to AC between A and C. Next line, right? Aryan, following. B square is equal to AC, or B is equal to root of AC. Generally, we take the positive square root. Now, next below, right? The geometric mean between 2 numbers, X and Y is geometric mean between 2 numbers, X and Y is root XY. Root of XY. Okay. Now, the next is, one more you write. If A, B, C, D are in GP. If A, B, C, D are in GP. A, B, C, D, 4 numbers. A, B, C, D are in GP. Then what? B and C are two geometric means in GMs. B and C are two geometric means between A and D. Okay, all of you. Next step. In AP, listen, why I'm telling comparing, you should know comparison also. In AP, how did you take three numbers in AP? Unmarried? Unmarried. You're looking here, there is no unmarried here. Okay, tell me. What? Standard? Let me hear a new rule. I don't know. How many times? 5 times. Lamia, how do you take three numbers in AP? R is the combination. Okay, A minus D, A plus D. How do you take four numbers in AP?
A plus A minus 2 A plus 3 A 5.
Still, again, I have to give punishment. Yes.
A minus 3D.
A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Where A minus 3D is the first term and 2D is the common difference. Okay. And by 5 terms you took as what? A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus D. Okay, same way we will be having in GP also. If you want to take three terms of GP, you can take A plus D, sorry, AR square. Instead of that way, we can take, right, three numbers in GP can be taken as, not minus, here it is multiplication division, no. Multiplications opposite is division. So, three numbers in GP are A upon R, AR. A upon R, AR. Where? What is the first term?
A upon R.
First term is A upon R. And common ratio is R. Remember, don't, because don't take A as the first term. If A is the first term, means your GP is what? AR square. First term is A upon R. Common ratio is R. Why we take this way?
Looking at the value.
Why we take this value? Tell me.
R is
It will cancel out the R.
When?
When
When the product is taken, or if you are taking generally GP products term, in the AP sum will come. Okay, sum D and D was cancelled. Your product comes means R and R is cancelled and it will come A cube. A cube is equal to that value directly you get. Other way also you'll get, but sometimes so complicated. Okay, next. Right, 4 terms of GP.
A upon A square.
A upon A.
A upon R square. A upon R cube.
Then you tell her.
A upon R cube. A upon R. AR.
4, yes, 4 numbers in GP are A upon R cube, A upon R, AR cube. Write the first term and common ratio. A by R cube. Are they in GP?
Yes, sir.
What is the first term? What is the common ratio? Wrong. R square. R square multiplying changes now.
Yes, sir.
First term is A upon R cube and the common ratio is it is coming as R square. Common ratio, right? CR. Okay. And 5 terms you know how to write. What are they? A by R square, A by R. Write it first term and common ratio. 5 terms. Completed. All of you. 3, 4, 5 terms are. Right question. Insert. Insert 4 geometric means between 6 and 3 by 16. 6 and 3 by 16. Okay. 6 and 3 by 16. How many geometric means you have to get? 4. Holiday. Should I explain?
First term in,
6 is considered as
first term.
first term, that is 6. Next is AR. Next one is AR square. Then AR cube. 1, 2, 3. AR raised to 4. And next one, 3 by 16. R in what? GP. You're not signed? Okay. R in, right. They are in GP. Written all of you. Now, therefore 3 by 16 is equal to this. What is that? In this one, AR raised to 5. Here A is equal to 6. AR raised to 5 is equal to 3 by 16. Oh. End of the. Then, therefore, replace 6 into R raised to 5 is equal to 3 upon 16. R raised to 5 is equal to 1 upon 32. Therefore, R is equal to
1 by
okay now. So the answers A, you have the value of A. Therefore, which are the first one AR. AR is equal to 6 into 1 by 2. How much? 3. AR square. That is 3 into 1 by 2. 3 by 2. Next one, 3 by 4. 3 by 8. Complete all of you. So the 3 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 8. They are the 4 geometric means. Exercise 11.6. Okay, exercise 11.6. Start. Read the question first one.
Find the geometric mean between 4 by 9 and
Find the geometric mean between
4 by 9 and
4 by 9 and 9 by 4. So how do you find out? Find the geometric mean between 4 by 9 and 9 by 4. That is arithmetic mean. Just stop writing. Go through the property. What just now you wrote. Geometric mean, what is the property you wrote? B square equal to AC. The geometric mean between two numbers is what? Root of xy. X and y is given now. Therefore, geometric mean is equal to root xy. Right? X is equal to 4 by 9. Y is equal to. Now steps to write down. 9 by 4. Therefore, geometric mean is equal to root xy. Geometric means root xy, that is equal to root of values 4 by 9, 9 by 4. Root 1, generally we take the positive part, okay. Minus 1, if you argue me, there is minus 1 also is correct, there is no problem. Okay. Plus minus 1, you can consider there is no problem, but generally positive part only is taken. Okay, second question. The sum of 3 numbers in GPR and their product is given, find the numbers. So how do you make 3 numbers?
A by R.
All of you do let the three numbers in GP. Let the three numbers in GP are A by R, A R. Then sum A by R plus A plus AR is equal to how much is sum of them? 39 by 10. Condition 1. Leave as it is, then product A by R times A times AR is equal to how much? 1. Cancel, so A cube is equal to 1, that is A is equal to 1. Substitute the value of A in equation 1. Product is given 1 now, question. Sum is given, product is given. Okay, replace and get the value. Where is Gayatri? Okay, all of you do it. All of you try to do it yourself. Got it. Once again, we will probably I don't know. Okay, who got the value in the R or pi? Yeah, 2 values of R you got?
Yes.
5 by 2 and 2 by 5.
Yes, sir.
How many if you did not get? Should I do? Replace A is equal to 1. So only get 1 by R plus 1 plus R equal to 39 by 10. You can shift that is 1 by 1 plus R square divided by R is equal to 39 by 10 minus 1. That is equal to okay, cross multiply. That is 10 R square plus 10. Yes. Okay. This equation you got, Priyanshu?
Yes, sir.
I shifted this one over there.
Minus 25.
So product is equal to 100. So 10 R square minus 25. R minus 4R minus 10 plus that is equal to how much? 2R minus
Sir, R is
5 into 5R.
Minus
The answer is 2 upon 5.
R is equal to 5 by 2 or R is equal to 2 by 5. Two cases. Case 1. A is equal to 1 and R is equal to 5 by 2. The numbers A by R 1 upon 5 by 2. A that is 1. AR 1 into 5 by 2. That is 2 by 5, 1 5 by 2. Second case. A is equal to 1, R is equal to 2 by 5. 1 upon 2 by 5. 1 into 2 by 5 by 2, 1 and complete all of you? Okay. Done. Okay, which is this the second one, no? All of you, third one. Yes.
The first term of the GP is minus 3.
First term of the GP is minus 3.
And the square of the second term is equal to its fourth term, 507.
Square of the first term.
The square of the second term.
Second term is okay.
Equal to its fourth term, 507.
Okay. Square of the first ratio.
Square of the second term is equal to its fourth term.
Okay. So T2 square. So
AR
continue, all of you do it. The first term of the GP A is equal to minus 3. That's the first condition now. Did not get. Then first condition is A is equal to minus 3. What is the second condition is given? Square of the second term T2 square is equal to what? Is equal to T4 now. Is it or not?
Yes.
That is AR whole square is equal to AR cube. A square R square is equal to AR cube. Cancel. What will you get? A is equal to R. Therefore, R is also equal to minus 3. Work is done. A you got. A and R are equal, you got. Seven term. Then get a minor T7. AR is to 6.
729.
Good. Minus 3 into
Minus 287. Sorry.
Good on that. Yeah, done all of you? Exercise is done, chapter is over. Exercise is yeah. All of you listen it. Yeah, listen all of you. GP part is done. I will ask you people to Shabdul. Going to give you some more stories. Trigonometry part we have to do start revising. So next day when you are coming, okay, all of you have to do from your textbook. Selena. Okay, daily you are all of you are Selena. Please got Selena.
No, sir.
I see. From there you do. Okay. How many sums you do daily? Look here. Let's do daily 10 sums. Okay. Next day, you don't want to do. How many sums you want to do? 10. 10. Okay. Yeah, 10 sums each and means 20 sums. Daily 10 sum means next day, Friday when you come in, 20 sums of trigonometry from the exercise. First exercise itself you do it. And after that, so let's practice. Along with one, you have to learn your this one identity, trigonometric identity. Okay, give that question. Yeah. Yeah. Who has marked the second term? What are the topics are there? You stop talking. Chapter trigonometry, there is only one chapter, not right hand. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, be all of you be quiet. Shardul, this is the fourth time today I am calling you. So I have two more you are expecting me. Then yeah, tell the topic.
21, 23, 24, 25.
21. Before that, nothing is there. 12, 13, 14. 12, 13, 14.
19, 20.
19, 20. Construction and cylinder. Yeah, listen now. All of you listen. Oh, yeah. Hey, listen now. We have to do the next is the main part we have to do is this one cone and cylinder. That is a mensuration part we have to do it. That part here listening. You have this chapter contains there are cone, cylinder and sphere is there. Now in this chapter I have only this one, but you have to remember two more things. One which are the two things solid cube and cuboid that you have done till 9th standard, so you have to remember the formula also. Okay, based on that one. These all the topics, even I think in 9th standard you studied even cylinder. Cone also you studied? No.
Yes.
Cone and- All right, okay. Pratham, I will ask you the formula.
Yes, sir. You studied now.
Okay, okay. And sphere also. Now, before going to that one, circle and all, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes. Area of, stop talking. Area of the circle. One by one. Okay. All of you. So two should I ask? 1, 3. Other than 3. Okay. Area of the circle. Perimeter. All other you want to okay. Perimeter is circumference. 2 pi. Okay, then you stand up.
I don't know.
Other yeah. Semicircle. Area. Pi r square divided by 2. Circumference. How is it? Priyanshu stand up. Okay. You want to show everybody a hairstyle, no? Yeah. Circumference. What is the perimeter of the semicircle? Yeah. Listen now. Sit down. Yeah. Perimeter means sum of its outer boundary. Okay. Now, circumference means what? It is a curve. Which is the curve is there at length of the curve. Now for the circle, there is one outer boundary, that is a curve only. That is why circumference and the perimeter both are same thing. For the semicircle, you have a semicircular arc is there, and below there is a diameter is there. So circumference means that length of that arc, that is equal to how much? Pi r.
IR.
And perimeter means pi r plus diameter, pi r plus 2r. Remember, okay? Now, have you heard about sector? Sector. Studied on area of the sector and all studied. Yeah. Listen, all of you listen here. You are doing, what is the sector? Half of the people first time hearing sector. But do you know what is the sector? Which part of the circle? Lot part. Look here, circle contains different parts are there. One is sector, is semicircle is there, sector is there, segment is there. You know what is segment of a circle? Not the line segment. Listen carefully. Listen. You know what is the chord of a circle? If a chord is divided the circle into two parts, they are called segment. The circle is divided by a chord that is called the segment. Yeah. Then, what is the sector? The region enclosed between, not chord, perpendicular to the chord. This is the sector angle, this is the radius. This shaded region is called which one? It is called the sector. Yes, what is the, listen. Yeah, okay. What is, yeah, listen, stop now. Okay. First, learn the formula, then we have the. Yeah, okay. What is area of the sector? Area. Theta by 360 times pi r square. Theta upon 360. Listen carefully. Area of the sector is coming. Once you remember this formula, area of the sector is equal to theta by 360 upon pi r square. Listen now. Theta divided by 360 times pi r square. How did he get? Means you know it's for the circle it's complete. It is 360 degree. For theta degree means unitary format. Theta by 360 times the area of the circle. Even if that is a semicircle or the same form only. 180 upon 360, that is half pi r. So I have already announced regarding your homework part. Trigonometry, do the questions and come. Okay, 20 terms. Aryan.